Right here I've started my design for my box, and in this video I'm going to show you just kind of a way to make it so some of your paths are a little more easy to edit. This is just a quick little trick that makes it so they stay very consistent, so even if you scale things up or down, or it'll allow you a little bit more freedom. Right now I have a whole lot of lines that have a certain thickness, in this case 9 point, and what I want to do is actually make these so that it is a shape as opposed to a line. And so what I'm going to actually do here is I'm going to go to Object, and then I'm going to go to Path, and then I'm going to do Outline Stroke. And what this does is it changes this path into a shape. And so now I have a shape. I'm going to change the outline and the fill, so you can see that the fill is nothing now, and the outline is red. So here's where the path actually was, and before it was actually much like this one where there was a path in the middle that had a certain thickness. Where this can get handy is you can actually then use that to make outlines of this. So I could actually have a fill color within here with an outline, a different color on the outside. I could take one of these the points on the path, and I can actually make one of those wider, so all of a sudden I have a path that looks like this and is a little bit easier to manipulate if I want. And so if you have a shape that is you want consistent thickness, you can use those just single paths, and you can use a outline stroke in order to make that an actual shape within there.